Guys, I've been talking all month long about habits that you should put on and start really practicing, and some habits that you should probably let go of. Habits are a big deal on efficiency because we get into ruts with habits. Some habits make us more efficient. So habits are a huge deal. I'm all about habits. I'm all about efficiency. So today I want to talk to you guys about habit trackers, what they are, how to use them, and how to make your own today. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn. I'm the content creator's best friend. I'm here to simplify content creation for you so that you can get back to what's most important in your business or brand. Today we are talking all about habit trackers. So let me know in the comments below, do you have a habit tracker? Do you use a habit tracker? I have been using habit trackers for a while now. I think they're amazing. But today I'm going to show you exactly why they work, how to use them, and how to make one for yourself today on your own. So what is a habit tracker? A habit tracker can be anything from a month-long habit that you want to be implementing to just for the week, whatever it is, but it's basically a way to track the habits to see how consistent you are being with a habit, because of course with a habit, you need at least 28 days to get a new habit or release a habit. So if you are releasing a habit, maybe it's smoking or spending money or whatever it is, you can put that on your habit tracker and mark off an entire 24 hours that you went without doing that habit or doing that habit. For me, I track things that I want to do better at and less. I don't always track the things I don't want to do, like if it's spend money or eat sugar or whatever, a day without sugar. It's easier for me to track the good things than the bad things, and that's just a personal preference. You may be different. You may want to track the things that you are releasing, and that's totally fine. That's a personal preference. For me, I like seeing the check marks as successes, and so I only track the things that are successes in my life. For me, I like tracking things for an entire month. However, if you have tried a habit tracker before and it was a month-long tracker, maybe if it didn't go so well, it's time to look at a week-long tracker. And that's as simple as just putting 7 days down and trying to track one habit to 3 to 5 habits maybe for an entire week. And don't overload yourself, right? So if it didn't work before because it was a month-long tracker, then try a week-long. I encourage you to do that because 1 week will lead to 2 weeks and it will eventually get there, but maybe visually it needs to be less daunting. And if that was the problem before and you were like 5 days in and you already made a mistake, then the tracker feels just daunting. It feels overwhelming. So if that's you, I recommend you start with habit tracking for just a week. So why do habit trackers work? Well, if you're like me, your life is busy. You've got a lot going on and there are things that we want to change about our lives. And for me, I remember very distinctly when I finally decided that resolutions, beginning of the year resolutions just don't work for me. It's really because the year is daunting, right? It's overwhelming to think that I'm going to give up something for an entire year. And again, I don't talk about giving up stuff. I talk about gaining new habits. So for me, the New Year's resolutions just didn't work. So it was more the goals that I wanted to achieve. I realized that breaking them down into a month or even a week-long habit that I could start putting on and really start achieving turned into an entire year when I was consistent with it. So if that is you, if you want to change something in your life, you absolutely can. If you want to be better at something, you absolutely can. If you want to be a better content creator, if you want to do something every day in your business, be it, networking or going live or whatever it is that you want to do better at, you want to show up more for your audience, you can create a tracker around that in your business. Which leads me to my last point, how to make a habit tracker. So I'm going to show you how I do this inside of my passion planner, which I talk about as well. If you want more information on my passion planner, I will link the video below of how I do my time blocking. But I'm going to show you my tracker and how I create it inside my passion planner right now. Hey guys, so we are inside my passion planner, and for this you're just going to need some kind of straight edge. And I like using a ruler because I can tell how far apart my lines are going to be. And then I use a pencil, and sometimes I go behind and I make it a little darker or prettier with a colored pen or my regular write-in pen or even highlighters. But I went ahead, I had already started this one, so I thought this was a good one to use. And I'm gonna just zoom in. This is the space, if you use Passion Planner, this is the space of infinite possibilities. So this is plenty of room for a tracker, and I'm gonna try to do this on camera. It's a little harder to do it on camera, but hopefully with my dashes here, we'll make it nice and easy. But basically what you're gonna need is 2 lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that nice and straight. And then another one this way. And you're gonna make a nice little T, and you probably, I mean, I don't need it this far, so I'm just gonna bring it back to about there. And then these notches at the top are gonna be my days of the week. And sometimes I just need something to base my line off of to make sure it's straight. So I'm gonna go around, make my lines. Okay. Almost done. And again, these are the days of the week, so I will fill in. They seem like small boxes, but I only use letters instead of spelling out the whole day of the week. And I also don't have too many habits that I want to track. So I gave myself a few lines, not too many. I don't like going above 6 habits, and sometimes they go into the next week. Oh, that wasn't very straight. Again, this is a little bit harder on camera, oops. But I just wanted to give you the gist, give you the idea. Something that you should know though is there are stickers out there, but there's also, I'm gonna show you something really cool. Erin Condren has something that's really cool that is a tracker book. But again, I like having all my stuff in one place, so I make my own. So basically right here, these are gonna be the habits that I'm gonna want to keep up with. So drink 70 ounces. And this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, and so obviously I can go ahead and take that off, and I may want to fill this in with some prettier ink, and then I fill in my days. And I have room to make more, and I can clean this up if I was like really anal about the way it looks, but I am in this planner all day long and it doesn't bother me that it's a little messy. I'm totally fine with that, but I just wanted to give you the gist of what it looks like. So if I on Monday drank my 70 ounces of water, then I could just do an X here. And then I can track an entire week of things that I want to make sure that I have done. And here it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and room for more. But again, I like to stick to about 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the things that you can use in addition to making your own. You can make your own, or you can buy some. Again, there are stickers that you could put inside of your planner. If you don't have a planner like this, you can put it inside a different planner. I'll have links to those in the description below. But here's another option. This is the Erin Condren. Basically, here are your check marks, and you can go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or you can go months of the year if you want to and be tracking things for an entire month. And here's where you would put what you're tracking. But this is just a nice pretty version. I have this, but again, like I said, I am in the Passion Planner every single day. It's nice for me to just keep it all in one place. So I like just adding my own. And again, a sticker is just a little bulky when you have so many, when you have one on every single week. So I got to the point where writing my own in was just the way to go. And it's that simple. You just need to make sure that you have a cross here, and then you can start making your days of the week. And it's the same for a month. Instead of the days of the week, what you would do is you would make these numbers. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way out to 30 or 31 depending, and you can make those just a little bit smaller if you're just doing check mark if you wanted to do a month. If you have the Passion Planner, you have a little smaller size when it comes to your a little open space. It's a little smaller than the weekly spread, but you do have plenty of room to go ahead and put that there if you like, and it's just that simple. So I hope this helps you keep track of the things that you want to do better at. every single day. And again, it compounds. So if you're doing well in 1 week, you'll do well next week. So hopefully that helps. It's that simple. Try it out. Let me know in the comments below if it is helpful, if you have tried it, and let me know if it helped at all. Are you getting a little better with some of your habits? Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for showing up. As always, I love every single view, every comment. I see it all. I see all the likes, and I see it as a person on the other side of the screen. They are not just numbers to me. So I am so appreciative of you being here, showing up each week. And as long as you guys are showing up, I will show up every week for you. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you be more efficient in your business and brand and content creation. And of course, I'll see you here next week.